that the BJP is training the guns on the Congress party, the Congress government basically, in the state of Karnataka. So we'll take a look at what's unfolding precisely at this hour. Remember, there's been a full-on political showdown that the BJP is training guns at the Congress government. And this is all with regard to scams, one after another is emerging. The Congress does not know what it does, is what the BJP is saying. They introduce a policy in the morning and withdraw it. So they are referring to the reservation that had come in for Kannadigas, 50 to 75%. Allegedly, it appeared at one point if there could be a 100% for the CND post jobs as well. But now, because the cabinet may have decided on it, but it's likely that the Karnataka government is not going ahead with it right away. BJP is asking, is this a joke? The Congress does not know how to govern and must be consigned to the dustbin of history. So they're trying to amp up pressure against the Congress, the ruling party in the state of Karnataka. Because remember, this reservation announcement had become a huge issue. It's not about a certain quota that is being added. 50 to 75% in management and even non-management positions is a huge number. For the rest of the state, it may not have as much repercussions as it will have for the Bengaluru city, which is a global tech city. It attracts talent from across the world, from across the country. There are young men and women who have been living in Bengaluru, who've been employed in all these big tech organizations. And therefore, what happens